Dreambaby Bathroom Safety Value Kit includes 28 pieces containing everything you need to help make sure your bathroom is as safe as possible for your little ones. Dreambaby anti-slip bath strips are a handy way to prevent accidental slips and falls in the tub or shower recess. Dreambaby toilet locks help prevent children from opening toilets, one of the most unhygienic areas of even the cleanest home. Dreambaby door stoppers prevent injuries that can occur when doors slam and also reduce the potential for a child to be unexpectedly locked in a room. The Dreambaby bathtub thermometer takes the guesswork out of knowing if your baby's bath is too hot or cold. Dreambaby soft bath spout covers inflate easily and slide over any standard spout. They provide a soft, safe cushion that helps keep your baby safe at bath time. Dreambaby outlet plugs help prevent children from inserting objects into electrical outlets. Dreambaby cabinet and drawer safety catches provide easy access for adults but are difficult for young children to open. Dreambaby multi-purpose latches are simple to use in any room and require no tools to install. Dreambaby cabinet glide locks help prevent children from opening cabinets and cupboards. The easy-to-use two-piece lock snaps into a secure position with a smooth gliding action. Perfect for your house or as a baby shower gift, the Dreambaby Bathroom Safety Kit provides a one-stop solution for childproofing and bathroom safety needs.